What's good, my tech friends? This is the one only Tech Boss. So today we're back again with another unboxing. I know I haven't been really doing much unboxing on this channel, but you know what? We're back again, and we're back with this, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. As you guys know, I did a lot of video about this Galaxy Note 20 Ultra over the past few weeks or even months. I've been talking about it, the leaks. I even went as far to even talk to you guys about what's it called, the Galaxy Unpacked as well, and then obviously what to expect with this device and all that good stuff. But yeah, I've got my S20 Ultra here just to compare it with it as well, to give you guys like a size kind of like a size how do I say it, like a size comparison basically, so you guys can see which one is bigger and which one you guys want to go for. But anyway, without further ado, I got my knife. Never forgot the knife. And let's get right into the box. So first of all, before we get into this unboxing, right, guys, please hit that subscribe button and also like the video so you can see more videos like these, unboxing and talks and stuff like that. But yeah, anyway, guys, yeah, we got the box. As you can see in the front, we just have the S Pen right there, and obviously the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra at the bottom written there, and then like a black kind of engraving on the box there as well, which is pretty damn cool. And then on the side, yeah, on the side we have that Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra as well, written on the side there. And yeah, that's pretty much everything on the box. Anyway, guys, I love my boxes. You guys know I love my boxes, and Samsung's lacking a little bit here. It's lacking. Look at that. Look at that. Look how much play is on that box. And look at the sealed side of it. Look how much it's seamless. And look at this side. It's like hanging off. Not cool. Not cool. Look at that. Look how unprofessional and untidy that is. But you know what? We can't really complain about that because we're about what's inside this box, not actually the box. So yeah, let's crack this box open. Been waiting such a long time to get my hands on these for such a long time. But yeah, Samsung doesn't sponsor me, so they wouldn't send me one out when they actually announced the phone. So I had to wait till, yeah, retail so I can actually pick one of these up for myself. Anyway, let's just... Wow. 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 This is what I'm greeted with. Literally, this is what I'm greeted with. And I'm like, wow. Literally, I don't know. Let's just put that aside. Okay. Right. In here we have some paperwork. I'm guessing, yeah. Some paperwork. Ooh, yeah, some paperwork. Obviously, you have your SIM injector right there, and I think I can feel a case. I think. No, I can't feel a case. Nah, I can't feel. Nah, that's not a case. Nah. Anyway, yeah, you got your normal stuff from Samsung, your quick start guide, all that shizzle nizzle that you need, and then you got your warranty card as well for any warranty work or any warranty jobbies, if you know what I mean by that. I'm pretty sure some of you guys know what I mean by that. Warranty jobs and warranty jobbies. I'm pretty sure some of you guys know what I'm on about. That's if you're like me and you're smart about what you do. Anyway, so, right. I know you know what I mean, babe. Right, the device. Oh my god. Guys, I swear to God, if they do not design the Samsung Galaxy Note, no, the Samsung Galaxy S30 Ultra like they designed this year, I swear to God, I'm going to go to South Korea and speak to the CEO of Samsung and slap them and tell them what you're doing with your life, because if I haven't even had a proper look. I'm trying not to, yeah, but wow, it looks so freaking phenomenal. Anyway, I'm gonna lay that aside. Anyway, so what we get in the box here, we have normal nice Samsung little greeting thing, and then yeah, we got charging brick, which is 240 watts, and yeah, this is, I believe this is fast charging capable as well. I'm not sure. Yeah, super fast charging capable. You can see that there. And then you got the information in the back as well, and Samsung obviously branding everything because that's what they do. And this actually obviously we got that little movement over there, so you can plug it in, and yeah, and then we got the USB-C as well on the top, so you can charge the phone through USB-C, which is pretty cool. And yeah, what else do we have in the box? We have the cable to charge. Yep. Yep. Nice cable over there, black, nice. As you can see, it's USB-C to USB-C, which is pretty cool. Nice to see from the box. It's pretty damn cool. Pretty damn cool. And then the last thing in the box, I presume, is the earbuds. Yep, it's the earbuds from AKG. Like you always see every single time. Obviously, you got your ear tips and all that good stuff. And then yeah, you got the nice AKG earphones, which is pretty damn cool. So yeah, I'll put this back in here. Oh, yep. Wow, I just forgot as well. Obviously, Samsung don't use the headphone jack anymore, so they've got you this USB-C connector, so you can listen to music if you want to use these headphones. But I doubt anyone still uses these headphones anyway, because it's all about the earbuds and the ear tips and the wireless earphones and all that stuff basically. But yeah, that's everything that's literally in the box. That's what the box looks like. Yeah, that's everything in the box. Anyway, let's put all this stuff aside, man. First of all, before I turn the phone, actually I'll turn it on as we speak. I'll switch it on. If it turns on. Wow, guys, the phone is so cold to the touch. Like, cause it's made out of aluminum, so it's so nice and cold to the touch. So when you pick it up and you touch it, it's like nice and cool. Anyway, I'm going to quickly compare it side by side with the S20 Ultra, and as you can see there at the back, absolutely amazing. It's picked up the camera module from the S20 Ultra, which is pretty cool. So yeah, a little bit smaller, but it's nice. And actually, I just noticed it does stick out a little bit more than the S20 Ultra. I'll just show you guys that. Yeah, the camera module does stick out a lot more than the S20 Ultra, as you can see right there. Yeah, I'll do a side-by-side comparison as well. So you guys can see the camera module is a lot more bigger and thicker than the S20 Ultra, which is there. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't know what to think at the moment. But yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Anyway, let's go through some buttons and stuff. But yeah, the phone has got this nice, like, rectangle kind of look to it, which does look absolutely amazing. I mean, it looks more like a Note phone, which is awesome. Instead of having the nice curved edges like the Ultra does, which gives it more of a smartphone kind of feel. But this has a nice phablet kind of Note kind of feel to it, which is nice and boxy, which is very, very nice. So you're holding it, you're like, yeah, I'm definitely holding a Note or a phablet phone. But yeah, anyway, as you can see, the chins and the forehead isn't that much. There isn't much chin or forehead at all. It's just a tiny little minuscule, which is nice. And then at the side as well, we get that nice design that kind of flows through with the side of the phone, with the screen just flows through nicely with the phone, which is pretty damn nice. And then yeah, you got the nice, beautiful camera module, which is right there. The color of this is actually the bronze, so this is the Mystic Bronze. So it's got that nice shiny effect to it. So I'm just gonna peel this off. That's weird. That's very weird. That is very, very weird. Doesn't actually. Is this the Ultra or the Note? This is the Ultra. This is the Ultra. I thought it had a glossy back finish to it. It actually has a matte finish to it. It has a matte. You guys can see that, right? That's a matte finish to it. To be honest, it doesn't look that bad. It's plastic. I don't know what to make of it. It looks nice. Don't get me wrong. It looks very, very nice. It looks very nice, but I'm not too sure about the whole plastic back. Listen to that. can feel like it's hollow. I'm not really a big fan of it, but I mean, for you guys that like the Note series, that would be nice for you. It's not as you can see, it's not fingerprint at all. There's no fingerprints at all, which is nice. So the back of your device stays very, very nice and clean. But yeah, mate, the camera module on this is absolutely insane. It's so beautiful, and I've just noticed as well, it does has the, what do you call it, the the thing for the S Health app, so you can read the temperature, your pulse rate, your heart rate, and all that jazz, which is just right there, back there. They took it away from the Ultra and the S series. Don't really know why, but I mean, it's nice to have it back in the Note series for the Note 20 series, which is quite nice. And then at the top is literally just flat. You got your SIM card slot and you got your top mic as well. And then on the side here, we got the volume rocker up and down. And then on here, we have the lock button or the on or off button. Then at the bottom, you have a secondary mic, and then your USB-C port for charging or playing music. And then you got your speaker grills, which is right there at the bottom. And also don't forget the S Pen. That looks so nice. I like that. Just nice implement. Wow. It's just little things. It's just so nice. Oh, I just noticed they've actually moved the S Pen from the right side to the left side. So you guys watching this, it will be, so what would it be? Right side. Yeah, so the right, I don't even know. I think the right side, they moved it from the right side to the left side, which is quite good, especially if you're a right-handed user. You can literally just use your pinky and just go, well, and just kind of press it in with your pinky, and it comes out, and boom, you're ready to go. But yeah, or you can even use your left hand. You're holding the phone nice, you just left hand swap, pull it out, boom, do your thing. Nice design. It's not too shabby at all. And on this side, there's literally nothing, so the phone is clean, beautiful. But yeah, it's such a nice freaking phone. Anyway, let me just set it all up for you guys, and then we'll see what's going on. So guys, I've just set the whole phone up, and wow, it looks amazing. Everything is so big to the eye, like whoa. It looks like a proper Note. Looks like a proper Note. Look at that. Look at that. It's snappy, it's fast, with that 120 gigahertz. It is absolutely rapid, absolutely amazing. I've just been looking at it as well with my Ultra as well, and there's literally not that much difference at all. There's literally not that much difference. If you look at that, not that much difference at all. It looks really, really good. Like, there's not much difference at all. If you're gonna upgrade from the S20 Ultra to the Note 20 Ultra, then you'll be alright, because it literally feels exactly the same like size. So it's just a tiny little bit bigger. Well, not even bigger. It's got this more kind of right angle edges to it, which yeah, not too bad. But yeah, it's nice. And also I noticed as well, when you shake the S20 Ultra, you can hear the camera module. Same with this, you can hear the camera module as well. Anyway guys, that's been me and the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, alongside the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra as well. Anyway guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that like button like I've said in the beginning of the video. Also subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a video. And yeah guys, I will see you in my next one. Peace. I'm gonna go enjoy this fun now. See you guys later.